Hey everybody, Jay here. Welcome back to the Homestead. And yes, accidents do happen. So guess what? We had a chainsaw injury. I'm okay. Everything's okay. I'm going to show you guys in a few seconds, so don't skip ahead. I'm only going to talk for a little bit less than a minute. But every so often, you know, you do something for so long, eventually, it's not if, it's when. So anyways, I was cutting up firewood. We're trying to harvest a cord of wood to sell every year from the property. Then eventually we'll try to harvest more XYZ. That's a whole nother story. But we had a chainsaw injury. So let me show you right now. Let me show you what happened, and then let's talk about it. So go ahead and let's roll the footage. Well, that was interesting. Oh, Rob, we got a spare chainsaw. So, I mean, it wasn't like a major chainsaw injury where, you know, the chaps actually did what they were supposed to do. The chaps actually have a few cut marks. What pretty much happened was, as you could see, and it happened quickly, I cut that branch literally, I have never seen something like this. I cut that branch, and that branch shot out to the left, knocked the chain over. I'm actually surprised you could see it. Knocked the chain off, and then the chain, obviously having momentum, curled and kind of whacked and pulled a little bit on my right thigh on the chaps. Very interesting. So let me show you guys again the whole sequence of events in regular time and slow-mo, and then we'll wrap up. I'm not going to make this video a long video. Oh, that was interesting. Oh, Rob, we got a spare chainsaw. So it just goes to show you that you just guys need to be safe. You need to be careful just where your chainsaw chaps. You could see in the slow-mo when I hit, I felt it, and I kind of like did a little step back. It's just like, oh, that just happened. You know what I mean? So anyways, it's all good. We're safe. The chaps have, you can see the marks. I should have grabbed them, but I already locked up the shed. We're wrapping up for the day. So I'll show another day, but none of the fibers pulled out, but you could see where it pulled a little bit on the chaps. So I got to determine if those are still safe or not. But anyways, moral of the story is be safe. It can happen quickly. Luckily, obviously, my dad was there, and I had my medical kit on me. God forbid there was a worse emergency. But just goes to show you that chain blew off, and that thing wrapped literally around my thigh, like it kind of like a whip. It kind of whacked around my thigh. Luckily, when the chain knocked it off the bar, it also pulled it off of the rim sprocket. So it wasn't full speed. It was starting to slow down, technically, immediately after that branch knocked it off, and the branch actually took some of the speed away from the chain. But moral of the story is, no BS. Wear your safety chaps. It could save your life. Now, if I didn't have chaps on, it probably would have tore, I would say it probably would have tore my pants, definitely. I don't know about a lethal cut, but it did have some steam. I felt it pull on my thigh. So anyways, be safe, guys. Please wear your chainsaw chaps. Take it from me. And yeah, have a good day. After this, actually, I'm going to roll the rest of the footage of the day. So I'll put a little time lapse in, and some music and whatnot. So if you got a few minutes, stick around, enjoy. If you're going to head out, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think. And yeah, have a good day, and we will see you out in the woods. Oh, baby. That's beautiful.